can pop in easily, get into the screen and pry it out. Here's another metal pry tool that you can use to pry out the battery. So if you're going to replace a battery, you're going to need to use one of these, and you need to disconnect the battery connector and then pry it out. So if you're going to replace a battery, you need one of this. You're going to need a suction cup as well. Suction cups helps remove the screen. So we're just going to push it down and pull it up, and that helps you pry out the glass. There are a few suction cups here. They come in different size for different screen size. There's a pickers. It's like a guitar pickers. You can use it to again pry out the glass. There's a metal. This is a metal spatula that you can use. I prefer to use the plastic one. It's more safer. You also need a tweezer. Again, this tweezer comes in different quality. So this one here